the shoulder and the front leg. The horse's shoulder is not attached to the spine by a collarbone as it does in human. Instead, the shoulder is attached to and support the weight of the front end by sheets of muscles coming from various points: the bones of the neck, the spine, and the ribs. Concussion is observed by soft tissue which would otherwise be absorbed by the spine. Now, moving from the bottom of the foot up is the coffin bone, joined by the short pastern bone, the long pastern bone at the fetlock, which connected to the cannon bone. 8 small bones make up the knee, preceded by the 2 bones of the forearm, the radius and the ulna, which forming the elbow, and then the humerus join the scapula. The scapula is a large triangular flat bone which lies at the angle. The top part is cartilage. It suspends anywhere from 2 to 6 inches below the withers and slopes forward, as opposed to the shorter, more upright shoulder. A long sloping one allows a greater stride length and more comfort ride.